I go through. There I go through. And I go and do the maths, you know.
I blessed love it tonight, man, Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ Slicking Vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burn and we got.
Natural. You see what I did? Well cool, I feel it all gone on in my vein. Yes, my beautiful people all over the world. This I cook and we don't have much container. So we eat, but just put the rice in the bag. This is how we do it in Jamaica.
You hear me? Raz Vital, don't. Out there I represent to the fullest for DJ Wicked Vlogs, you know. Real life something done. And the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, not there. Up full, Raz Vital.
Greetings to all my beautiful people all over the world. You don't know it's yours truly, DJ Wicked out here once more, guys. Yeah, man, and this morning we're downtown Kingston again. You know what I mean? You know the thing going on, guys. Yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you just hit that subscription. You see me? Yeah, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You have 2 bills, 250, baby. Yeah, man, so we're there, go and hold it in the morning, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's a beautiful, beautiful day. Yes, my people, man, so we're there. They are showing a little while going in the morning, people. Yeah, man, me empty out couple container already, as you guys can see. Yeah, man, but we active out here, we active. I'll take time, shoot it down, you know? Yeah, man, yeah, man. So we out here, give God thanks and praise the life and strength, you know? Yeah, man, are the greatest that. Yeah, man, we can appreciate greatest thing, which is life. Yes. So we out here, and we say stay tuned for all of the happenings for the day. You know what I mean? Yes, no man, blessed love.
Are you for change it?
Apple at 200 a bag. Guys, make sure I heard. I want to water them way. When them come here, nothing of them way, know them way there. Yeah, them bother me, people. Them run the town, you know.
Much apple?
Apple at 200 a bag, my brother.
Much it is that?
You get 3 big ones.
Brother, we are apple. Yeah. How much is that? Fire shot in the brother.
$200 a bag, my baby.
Me pay $500.
Probably somebody else.
Myself come right at the guy right and that thing here so. You're the only person did have star raffle. Nobody
I must well left band. You don't know.
In the early morning, me tell him go up and show them. And I saw him say yeah him want and him beg her say bite and bring up.
You're easy. Guys, it's let you at work, mashing up everywhere. Any apple princess? Neesbury 100. No, 100 for half dozen. I have 2 bills a bag, my baby. You can pick out where you want them.
morning spring. Morning, half the week, morning.
Huh? Yeah, I don't really my one them, but I think they're supposed to ride. I just one lady left them, say she soon come back. We just a look for them. 100. And how much they want? Take up a bag. $100 a bag and $250 or 2 bills. Think she said 250. Think a 250 lady said a dozen.
How much them?
Eh? 200?
How much is that?
1 dozen. And them they look like a big one them this. How much is? 3 bills to this. Cause it me I say what's wrong with it? I know my one them, you know, say you can't just take up a next bag. Take up a next bag. Because you see, you want to film me them. She bag them out and leave them, miss. Me can't show what you concern me. Me just a help her, you see it?
Okay.
Yeah. She just tie them out and leave them. Guys, we don't want to pick out a lady thing them and then she just say, no, them way there. I make sure them mama shop everywhere, guys. Out here, see them soon done still a date. They are going to take time to clean the earth. Apple for days. Yeah man, apple come down wicked. Right there every parish you know. Yeah man. Put on yourself still go see what go on down there. Yeah. That's true. Oh. Yeah.
Look at it, it's woman, guys. I'm looking at the mountain.
See him where? Waffle one. Good on yeah, man. I should hold it down for me there, so man. From morning it there and for me up there, you know. Look across the road there. Yeah. Everywhere there. And I should make sure they make all this place look, you know.
Yeah.
Right now. Good on, they go see what I go on. Everybody does have come up and come catch a evening here. wonder where the best place is if we go in the evening. Metro boy them down here, man. Look at boy them down here, boy them down here full. Guys, today out there I go through. There I go through and I go and do the maths, you know. See me can hold off the turf right, that's it. Although I know the right places me I come now a bus. I can go up a little more person. When the people they push me where they think they're busy with me. So what I do, I not spread out like more and take over a place. I normally do it so. Yeah. So then can also have the little walking room, you know?
Right.
Yeah. So at least the metro then we see some so heartless I take over a place. How much are little damage? Respect and thanks, hear that?
Take care of yourself.
And job guide same way, yeah. Wednesday again, me over there. That is it. Yeah. At the bus I wanna go with father. I try to catch one little bread before. Bread have to make, you know. Apple 100, apple 100. $100 give apple. Apple $100. 100 a bag of 100. 100 over here, so 2 bills in a big bag there. 100 any bag over there. 100 get a bag of 100. I want 3 nice one or 2 bills, man. Nothing wrong with that, my father. Take out the plastic bag them, so. 100, 2 bills. 3 nice one for the 2. Appreciate it. Apple 100, apple 100. Pick up a next bag, my father. Pick up a next bag if you don't like that one there. Apple 100. What that? Pick up what you want and my price it, my father. Anything we bag out 100 and 2 bills. Pick up what you want and my price it. 100 a bag, 100 a bag, 100. 100 baby, 200. Thank you, sweetie. $102 bills to them nice bagger. Apple 100, apple 100. 100 get a bag of apple, $100. 100 any bag over there, so 2 bills over here, sir. No, what you are doing, you know? Take up for your arm, my boy, man. You say you must come and you don't know you're hard working, man. After you out here, take on the road.
That move good, man.
Yeah.
Go with them people, yeah?
True.
Then they are Kingston and all those countries.
That is it, that is it.
Which country them are from?
St. Thomas.
buy them as well.
Yeah, my baby.
Them have no.
Apple 100, apple 100. Bigger buy over here 100. Apple 100, apple 100. Apple 100. Yeah guys, so right now I'm there Chad going around at the seafood place guys. Yeah. You can see apple all about people. Everywhere apple. There guys, a shampoo tree. Sorry princess. Peeps really gone far. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. You know, thank you so much for doing such a great job watching the video until the end guys. You know, you guys mean a lot to me. Yeah, and just continue to do the right thing by share, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new guys. Yeah man, catch you guys in another content. Yeah man, peace out for now. Love you guys.
AC Legion, you know. One go. Pepper Brain represent for DJ Wicked Vlogs, you see? Yeah, get it. I'm here saying me tired of nightmares. Tired to sip the rum with the light there. Me left me hard and tell me family I go find fair. Them still have to see the big in a Times Square. One go DJ Wicked Vlogs, Pepper Brain. I'm out.